Hey y'all, come look at this.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, and to everybody else coming back for another video, welcome back. And as you can see, my hair currently is wet and it looks white, but this is because I am in the process of deep conditioning it. I'm using, what is this, Anjeki's flaxseed deconditioner, because I haven't been deconditioning my hair in a while and it's been breaking off. So today's video is something different, has nothing to do with deconditioning. It's not even wash day. I'm going to braid it. So yeah, tune in, see how I do my braids, and I'm going to show you how I did the braids, the fiber, how I manipulated the fiber, and how I'm going to be using it on my hair. So stay tuned for more. Okay guys, for fiber we are going to use skewer or a kebab steak, I don't know what you guys call it, and then we are going to take the darling hair piece or the expression, whichever one you're using, just as long as it's hot water, and we are going to twist it and wrap it around the kebab steak or skewer. And once that is done, you are going to use a clothing peg and clip on both sides of the rod to secure the hair on the rod, and then you are going to take the hair, which is that whole hair thingy, and then like, oh, you're going to put it in hot water, boiling water for like 5 minutes, and you can put detangling conditioner in the water, or once that is done, you can take out your hair and spray them with detangling spray. Usually Native Child has the Happy Mist spray. You can use that one to spray it on your hair, and yeah, and then you leave it for, I don't know, I left it for like a day so it can fully dry out, and yeah. Once you have your hair has dried off, you are going to unravel it. Yeah, you are going to unravel it, and then you are going to cut off the ends of the hair so that it can be easy to unravel the final hair that you'll be using for your braids. This is what I mean when I say unravel the hair. Yes. The final hair piece that you'll be using will look like this, the afro type of texture, that's what we'll be using for our butterfly locks. And as Kobe would do, we are done. Oh, and as you can see, I've already done the low part of my hair, so I'm sorry I did not take a video because you guys get me record this thing. It's a lot of work, so I wanted to show you the front because it was easy to show on the camera. And yeah, so you are going to be using the remainder of the hair piece, which is the one that you did not curl, to braid to your desired length, and then you are going to use it to braid your hair underneath. Yeah. Next, you are going to take a crochet needle and put it through your hair, and then place the fiber through the needle and then pull it out. And then you're going to take the extra piece of fiber, and that is the one you're going to be using to wrap around the hair. The overall amount of fiber that I've used for this hair is probably, I've used 2 full packets of expression and 1 packet of darling to create the curl, and then I've used 2 full packets of expression to braid the hair underneath. So overall I've used probably 5 packets of hair piece to achieve this look. And voila guys, this is the final look, and I don't think I am in love with this look. So December hairstyle type of vibe, So yeah, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below any suggestions. And yeah.